Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge damage to your laptop components. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s and unplugging the power adapter. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latches on the back panel. These latches are crucial for safely removing the battery. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep track of them. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as you don't want to damage any internal clips. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It is usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it out. If you find it difficult, you can use the spudger for leverage. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Typically, there are 2 or 3 screws securing the battery. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of its compartment. Before you insert your new battery, take a moment to clean the internal area using compressed air to remove any dust or debris that might have accumulated. A clean environment is essential for optimal performance. Now, take your new battery and align it in the compartment. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Once the battery is fixed, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly seated. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything works correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this may cause damage. If you don't have the tools or would prefer not to perform this task yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a hassle-free way to get your device serviced. Plus, with our service, you will receive a quote before any repair is conducted, no calls, no travel, just a simple drop-off or pickup. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 530s again to ensure that it operates well with the new battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any underlying problems. With your laptop fully operational, you're ready to go. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.